SimSurfing. SimSurfing is a free website tool which provides information and data for selecting electronic components. 3 attractions of SimSurfing. 1. Draw graphs by simple operation. For example, the DC bias characteristics and temperature characteristics of the capacitance in an MLCC can be seen. Different characteristics including impedance and ESR can be overlaid. Also, the DC bias characteristics of the impedance can be overlaid in the MLCCs. S-parameter and netlist can be downloaded in a text file. 2. Provides highly accurate data. Equivalent circuit models suitable for actual measurement are adopted for MLCCs and RF inductors. 3. Substantial search functions. Part numbers can be searched and narrowed down by various items, such as a portion of the part number and the nominal value of the characteristics, etc. A part number can be selected according to the application conditions of a DC-DC converter and a power inductor. Abundant types of data available. SimSurfing provides data on various types of products, including capacitors, inductors, various noise suppression products, thermistors, and resonators. We strongly support the customer's selection of products. Please use SimSurfing.